Welcome to the enchanting Faroe Islands, a land of breathtaking beauty and natural wonders. Today, we'll take you on a journey to explore some of the most incredible places this archipelago has to offer. Let's begin our adventure. Our first stop is the mesmerizing Mulafusor Waterfall. A recognizable landmark, this incredible waterfall cascades 30 meters into the vast ocean below, creating a magical spectacle of mist and wonder. Next up, we have the iconic Drangarnir Sea Stacks. With their unique slanted formation and a striking arch in the middle, these sea stacks are accessible by an adventurous boat tour or a scenic hike, offering unparalleled views of this natural wonder. Prepare to be amazed as we journey to Dúvugarðar and witness the awe-inspiring Seabird Cliffs. Thousands of seabirds call these majestic cliffs home, providing a mesmerizing display of nature's beauty against the backdrop of the endless sea. Hidden in the Faroe Islands' heart is the mystical Trokunu Finger, a towering 300-meter-tall stone monolith. Embark on a peaceful hike to reach a great viewpoint, where you can marvel at the dramatic landscapes and embrace the magic of this legendary place. Venture to the remote Saksun village, nestled amidst breathtaking landscapes. Here, a lagoon fills up with seawater, leading to the stunning black beach. Lose yourself in the contrast of green hills and black sand, as you soak in the tranquility of this hidden gem. Our journey continues to the majestic Fossá waterfall, the tallest waterfall in the Faroe Islands. Nearby, you'll find the picturesque Tjørnuvík village, adorned with unique sea stacks that stand proudly against the roaring ocean waves. For those seeking serenity, a hike to Fjellvatn and Slatteritindr is a must. Traverse through serene landscapes and discover the beauty of a pristine lake with the majestic Slatteritindr mountain as a backdrop. Our next destination takes us to Suðuroy Island, the southernmost gem of the Faroes. Prepare to cross the Troll Bridge, a thrilling experience with a deep chasm below. Explore incredible sea cliffs and immerse yourself in the awe-inspiring surroundings. Our final adventure leads us to Kalsoy Island, a place of dramatic landscapes and captivating charm. Discover the Kallar Lighthouse, perched majestically atop steep cliffs, offering breathtaking views of this untouched paradise. The Faroe Islands, a realm of wonder and beauty, await your exploration. From cascading waterfalls to mystical monoliths, and remote villages with stunning black sand beaches, these are just a glimpse of the Faroese' countless treasures. So, pack your bags and embark on a journey of a lifetime. Until next time, happy travels!